ready to turn your downtime into dollars. Let's get you set up with Tapmob. First things first, you'll need to download the Tapmob app. Head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. In the search bar, simply type Tapmob and tap the search icon. You'll see the official Tapmob app. Hit that download or install button. It's a quick process, just like any other app. Once it's installed, you'll find the Tapmob icon on your home screen. Give it a tap to launch the app. Now, let's create your account. If you're new to Tapmob, you'll want to tap the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your email address, create a secure password, and choose a username. You'll also be asked for your birth date and gender to help tailor the surveys suited for you. Keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link inside to verify your account. Now, head back to the app and log in with your new credentials. Welcome to your Tapmob dashboard. To maximize your earning potential, it's a good idea to complete your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually found in the corner or a navigation menu. Here, you can add details about your interests, update your location, and even add a profile picture to personalize your account. You'll see a list of available surveys and tasks right on your dashboard. Tap on any that catch your eye. You'll be asked a series of questions. Just answer them honestly and accurately. Each completed survey or task earns you rewards. Remember to always adhere to our community guidelines. Be respectful, provide honest answers, and you'll have the best experience and the most rewarding opportunities. That's it. You're now ready to start earning with Tapmob. Download today and turn your opinions into real rewards.